everyone, well, welcome back in my YouTube channel where we will speak together, learn together, and will be will become a native English speaker together. I'm teacher Pooja, and I am also learning with you, and while I am teaching you, because it's my it's my very long journey towards speaking English. Since 2017, last time when I joined the American English Speaking Institute in Muradabad, where I submit 2000 rupees fees for lifetime membership, and I went there for 1 or 2 months regularly, and I was doing good. But I went there with my friend, and my friend was feeling shame while he was not good at as I am in English. It means that I can read and I can understand, while some else will speak. But my friend is not good in reading also and in understanding while someone other will speak. So me and my friend joined American English Institute. He basically joined after I pushed him so much that we will go together and we will learn together and we will achieve something in English. So he joined with me, but he just feeling shamed while our English teacher named Gaurav, I think. I just did not recall it anymore, but he just gave class to us for 15 days only. He was good in English or as an English teacher, but I don't know, somehow he just left the English our institute, speaking institute, and they started over any other English institute somewhere else. And where we joined, me and my friend joined American English Institute. Some two female there joined two new female teacher. One was there, one was that one is the owner, and second one is a girl, a random girl that was receptionist there. Whenever a teacher asked something or in front of some girls, my friend feel ashamed while he could not answer the female teacher. So that's why he just kept ignoring me, and he did not go any further classes with me. So I could not complete my 90 days English speaking course, and I just left over it in January 2018. And I just in last 8 years I just tried to speak English with YouTube, or I tried to hard my best hard, but I never complete my challenge for 90 days. I just got English classes, and I started reading more and more, that gives me so much intelligence in English. Can say it improved my English speak, reading skill and understanding English, because I started reading philosophies or self growth books and fiction books, basically, or non fiction books in English, and it helped me so much for self pacing English. But I could not complete any 90-day challenge. Last time when I challenged myself for 90 days, it was in 2022, when I was started speaking English in front of the camera, and I took also a 90 days challenge for being a native English speaker and for facing camera for 90 days. But I could not complete my task. I don't know anyhow, I just suddenly stopped. I was doing good, but I suddenly stopped. I don't remember this time anyhow, but I just remember that I was living in my Masi's house for 1 year, and I was practicing there daily. I was free at that time. I was on a vacation for 1 year, and I was just self improving myself, and I was just improving or self developing mission for myself, and I was doing good. But I don't know, like I said I don't know anyhow, I just couldn't complete my task for 90 days. But it was my mistake, and I was doing good in English in 2023. In March or April, I was able to speak in front of someone, where uh, I just remember I used to go in a vet clinic. There a there a boy was working, and he was very good in his English speaking. He was just working 18 hours in vet clinic, and he he was very good in speaking in English, and he was very um, good. We can say that he had very good uh, pakad pakad. We can say that um, strength. He had good strength in English speaking or English knowledge, because he always tried to kept learning, and I was trying so much, pushing myself toward speaking English or something, but I just left over for it for 3 years, and now I am on a vacation again for 1 year, and I am taking rest for 1 year, can say, because I'm not doing good. I was not doing good in money, and I just took a rest for 1 year for self development, for something, my self growth, and I'm just enjoying in my village, and we can say that I'm just enjoying in reading, in speaking. I'm just learning new things. And last month I decided to start YouTube channel, and I took 100-day challenge for myself while in facing camera and speaking English. And it must be it could have been today 45 day of my speaking in front of the camera, but I could not I did not do it, and I just speaking English without camera, but I was just procrastinate all the day that I will record myself now later. I will do it tomorrow. I will do it day after tomorrow, and I just procrastinate all the 30-40 days. And now I started again, and I just decided to record 3 or 4 videos daily that could help me to get my consistency, and I decided to upload 45 videos to achieve my challenge on time, to complete my challenge on time. And I will put in some day, and by in a day I will upload 2 videos or 3 videos, and it will get the flow before 100 days, because I have almost 55 days from today, and I just decided it that I can put 2 or 3 videos daily that can help me to complete my task on time. Because it's no matter that I record myself for 3 times in a day, because it's the matter only facing camera 3 times, no matter in a day or per day, because the matter is only confronting camera. Because as much as I can face, or I can face camera more and more, I will face camera more and more, and I will speak or practice in front of the camera more and more. It will help me as soon as possible, and as much as I record myself, it will help me a lot before 100 days. But I decided not to let go of my challenge waste. Last time daily I just craving for meeting my neighbors, and my heart and my mind just craving for going their house, going their house and meeting with them. I just recall their, I just feeling how feel I how will I feel, wow, if I will go my neighborhood. But I decided that until I complete my 100 days challenge, I will not going anywhere, and I will reduce my public meetings like my neighborhoods meetings and my relatives meetings, etc. Because whenever I went in public places like my neighborhoods, or like in town, whenever I went, I just take the left side, means I just doing good in speaking English and facing camera on. I'm just going on a single road, and then I go somewhere else for some time, for 1 day or 2 day, or for some hours. I just took a wrong side. So I decided to not going somewhere else until I complete my 100-day challenge. Thank you so much.